I'm going to be installing Lite LED landscape lights on a project. I'm putting these under some stone steps. The lights have stainless steel mounting plates that can be cut down to the size you need, or you can remove the mounting plate and just use the aluminum light bar. I'm going to be attaching the landscape lights with industrial strength Velcro. Underneath the lip of the stone steps, I'll be attaching that side of the Velcro with construction adhesive. The Lite landscape lights that I'm installing are 1.5 watts each. I'm going to be controlling them with a 50 watt 12 volt transformer, so I have plenty of power to add additional lights in the future. I'm using 14 gauge low voltage wiring out of the transformer, and I'm connecting this to all of the wire from the lights with outdoor rated wire connectors.